Hello everyone, greetings of the day. Welcome to Naipunya Vikasam channel. I am K. Sumati, working as Functional English and Life Skills Trainer in APS WRS Muthukur, SPSR Nellore District, Andhra Pradesh. Today we are going to learn the topic homographs. It is belongs to Functional English. Children, have you heard the word homographs? Okay, don't worry. Let us know about homographs in detailed manner. What is a homograph? The root of that word homo means same and the root graph means writing. Homographs are two words that are spelled the same but have different meanings and pronunciation. So the words two and two are homophones as are eight and eight. These two examples are belongs to homophones but not homographs. Homographs are the words which have same spelling, different pronunciation, and different meaning. Okay, let us know about homographs in detailed manner. Okay, children? Examples of it. ADDRESS. I can give you the address of a good attorney. That letter was addressed to me. In these two sentences, ADDRESS is there. I can give you the address. In first sentence, address means details about someone, residence or shop or anything else. So it denotes residence of a particular person. That letter was addressed to me. In this sentence, address means communicate or convey or speak about. So the letter was addressed to me. It speak about me. In such a manner, we had to use that. Next, can. Ramesh can speak English fluently. We drank a can of Coke each. In these two sentences, the underlined word is can. In first sentence, can is pronounced like can. It shows ability of a person. In second sentence, can is pronounced like can, which means container to fill something. Next, CLOSC. Please close the window. I am reaching close to my home. In these two sentences, the underlined word is CLOSC. In first sentence, close means to shut. Shut the window like. I am reaching close to my home means I am reaching to my home. I am very near to my home. In such a manner, we have to use that. Next, CONDUCT. We are conducting a district-wise drawing competition. I am proud to say that I got good conduct in my school. In these two sentences, CONDUCT, the word is there, but this word has different meaning in these two sentences. First, we are conducting. Here conducting means organizing or directing or supervising a district wise drawing competition. In second sentence, though the spelling is the same but different pronunciation, that is, in first sentence conduct, in second sentence conduct. I am proud to say that I got good conduct in my school. Here conduct, it is a behavior, it shows behavior of a person. It is a performance of a person. Okay, that is it. Next, LIV. We used to live in Vijayawada. We watched the live cricket match. In these two sentences, the word LIV is there. In first sentence, LIV is pronounced like live, means existence of something or a person, or we have to reside in such in particular person place. Okay. In second sentence, we watched the live cricket match. Here, live is pronounced like live. We'll see the cricket through live telecast. Means we'll watch cricket uh, through television at home. Next, MINUT. I'll be back in a few minutes. It's too minute to see. In these two sentences, MINUTE is there. Though MINUTE is there in both the sentence, but pronunciation is different. In first sentence, MINUTES is pronounced like minutes. It denotes time. In second sentence, MINUTE is pronounced like minute, which means very small. Next, FAST. I am early. My watch must be fast. I always have some orange juice in my breakfast. In these two sentences, fast is there in these two sentences. In first sentence, fast means capable to moving at high speed. I always have some orange juice in my breakfast. Here, breakfast. Fast means an act or period of fasting. So here fasting means we did not take anything, any meal. Okay, that is the meaning of it. Next, PROJECT. I have completed my project work. We should learn how to project an achievement so that everybody will know. In first sentence, PROJECT is pronounced like project, which means collaborative enterprise to achieve particular aim. It is a teamwork, it is an agency. Next, in second sentence, we should learn how to project an achievement so that everybody will know. Here, the project means stick out or poke out. We have to exhibit something in front of anybody. So all these examples are belongs to homographs. Children, I hope you understood what I am saying till now. Here I have given you assignment. Um, Assignment is consists of questions, fill in the blanks, and multiple choice. First, answer the following questions. What is the meaning of the word homo? What is the meaning of the word graph? These two questions I'll give you. These two are one word answer questions, and each question carries 1 mark. Next, fill in the blanks with homographs which are given below to complete the sentences. Here I have given you the words of homographs: conduct, close, address, can, fast, live, minute or minute, project or project. So let us know about the filling the blanks. So you have to fill the blanks with suitable homograph. First one, I have completed my dash work. We watched the dash cricket match. It's too dash to see. Ramesh dash speak English fluently. We used to dash in Vijayawada. We should learn how to dash an achievement so that everybody will know. We drank a dash of coke each. I will be back in a few dash. So children, you have to fill all the blanks with suitable homographs that are given above the blanks. Okay. Next, choose the correct meanings for underlined words in the sentences. So here you are going to choose the correct meaning for underlined words. I can give you the address of good attorney. Please close the window. I am proud to say that I got good conduct in my school. I always have some orange juice in my breakfast. They drank a can of palm wine. So, children, you have to fill the brackets with suitable answers, and each question carries 1 mark. Children, these are all the questions and multiple choice and fill in the blanks you are going to answer, and you have to read and you have to gun all those things, and you have to answer the questions. So children, work on it and be the best. Thank you.